Hello and welcome to another edition of English with Richard, and today I'm going to be looking at a three-letter word called get and how many different ways we can use that word. So without further ado, away we go. So get, it means to receive. Receive like a gift. For example, for my birthday, I received a brand new spanking car. For Christmas, I received a beautiful piano. It could also be that we've received an email. We get a chance, we get an opportunity to do something. We get an opportunity to visit a famous place. Or we get an opportunity to go to a football match. We get an opportunity to receive a reward, a certificate for an accomplishment. Get, to receive. Get, to obtain something. Now this is often refused with that previous one I just said, to receive. But it's different. If we obtain something, we've done something to achieve it. Whereas receive is just a gift. We've done nothing we've done nothing in order to receive the gift. However, to obtain, we have to work hard for it. For example, you obtain a job. What else can you obtain? You could obtain information. You're researching, for example, something historical. So you go to the library, you research and you obtain the information. So in a nutshell, you're doing tasks to obtain a result. Another use of the word of get is to buy, to purchase something. Oh, I need to get some bananas for the tennis match. Because don't they eat a lot of bananas during a tennis match? You see Swiatek and Rafael Nadal, they eat bananas in between the games, the sets. When I went and bought something, I got a good price. So you get a good price. You get a discount. You get a special offer. Can I get a cup of coffee, please? Maybe I might say have, but I'll go and get a cup of coffee for us both. It could be we're in a fast food restaurant and I might want to ask, can I get fries with that, please? So, get could be to buy, to purchase. Another way of using get could be to bring something. Oh, could you do me a favour? I'm feeling a bit cold. Could you bring me an extra duvet so I can cover myself up? Or could you get me an extra jacket, please, so I can put that on? Or an extra pullover, jumper, sweater. It could be, could you get me some more chairs, please? We got this party and we need an extra 6 chairs. So can you get me an extra 6 chairs, please? And maybe get me a couple of tables as well. So to get me something. Get could also mean to arrive. For example, I get home from work about 5 o'clock. What time do you get home? I'm going to fly to Birmingham. I think the plane gets in, or will get in about 7 o'clock. So if you get to the airport for 7:30, that should be enough time for me to get off the plane in order to get to the arrivals exit. There's a few different uses of get right there. It could be, how do I get to the railway station? Can you tell me how I get to the bus station? I want to go to Wales. I want to go to Wrexham from Birmingham. Do you know how I get there, please? Now, get, we could use with become. You become something, or somebody becomes something. For example, you get angry. You get agitated. You get upset. Yes, get angry. Now, you fall ill. I hope you get better. I hope you get well soon. Oh, they're going to get married, but they're going to get divorced. Can you see how becomes can be used with the word get? Will you get dressed, please? We're going out now. Oh, no. Don't get drunk tonight, please. You're an embarrassment. Don't get drunk. It could be to understand something. For example, I don't get why you do such a thing. I just don't get it. I simply don't get how to use this computer program. It's beyond me. It's just going straight over my head. Please help me get used to it. It could be you tell a joke and it falls flat. I don't get that joke. Oh, don't be stupid. I just don't get it at all. Get could be for something used for something special, like I'm going to get a vacation a bit later on this year. A bit later, I'm going to get to watch a movie when I've done all my homework. He was upset because he didn't get to take a vacation this year. He didn't get to take a holiday. So get means to do something special or to do something. Get somebody to do something. Yes, I'll make sure I'll get him to agree to this contract. I'll get him to agree to come with me tomorrow night. I will get Fiona to agree to come to the dance tomorrow night. I will get the kids to help with the housework so we can finish earlier with all the house chores and we can go out to have a meal tonight. Woohoo! A meal. Yes, let's get it done quickly. Okay, there's a few ways to be able to use the word get. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video and that you've learnt a few different ways to be able to use the word get. I hope you get it all. So, if you liked this video, please click like, because I need a load of likes. Please like the video. And also subscribe if you're not already subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. Yes. And ding the bell, ding, so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you've got any comments, please write them in the comments below. I've had some interesting advice in past comments about what you would like to see or not, as the case may be. So yes, please put some comments and I'd love to see them and I'd hope to incorporate them in other videos. Okay then, I'll see you on the flip side.